How to buy USDT on OKX. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vesnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy USDT on OKX. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up your OKX. Now you want to make sure you are on the exchange tab. Now first things first, what you'll have to do is you'll have to head over to the assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you'll find the deposit option. You want to tap on deposit. Now in my case, I'm not verified, but once you tap on it, it'll ask you for a couple of prompts, and once you fill in prompts, you'll be able to add funds or deposit to your account in order to make a purchase. Now once you have done so, once you have added fund, what you can do is you want to simply tap on the horizontal tab that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Once there, under manage assets, you'll see buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, and P2P trading. You can head over to buy option, and then you can select the particular crypto, that is USDT, and you can select the amount and fill in the prompts and make the purchase. Now the other way is you can head over to P2P trading, and there you'll get the option to buy USDT. You can choose from here and you can make the purchase. As you can see, I haven't verified my ID, so I'm not qualified for it. So this way you can buy USDT on OKX. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.